to pay traffic fines using tabby payment. 1. Open the official traffic fines website or app in your country, for example, the RTA or MOI portal. 2. Enter your vehicle details or fine number to view outstanding fines. 3. Add the fines you want to pay to your cart or payment list. 4. When you reach the payment section, check if the portal accepts tabby or card payments. 5. If tabby is listed as a payment option, select it. You will be redirected to the tabby page. 6. Log in with your phone number or email and choose your preferred plan, either pay later or split into 4 interest-free installments. 7. Review and confirm your payment. Tabby will pay the full amount to the authority and you'll repay tabby in installments. 8. If tabby isn't directly supported on the traffic portal, you can use your tabby card instead by entering its details under the credit or debit card option.